Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Begin by choosing your format and tools. Pick an 8x10 or 11x14 canvas for physical art, or set 300 dpi for digital work. Decide the focal turkey pose, aiming for a feather spread near 180 degrees and a color palette of 3 to 5 main hues. Sketch lightly using a 2B pencil or a 3-pixel brush at 50% opacity to block shapes and values. Mark where eyes, tail base, and wing joints intersect, and plan negative space to ensure the fan silhouette reads clearly from a distance. Construct the fan feathers in clear layers. Lay down 3 base shapes, then add 5 mid feathers, and finish with 8 detail feathers to create depth. Use a filbert brush size 6 for traditional paint or a 15px digital brush for smooth feather tips, switching to a 3px brush for individual barbs and vein texture. Add texture with 20% opacity strokes and 2 to 3 color variations per feather. Then paint light rim highlights at about 60% brightness to suggest curvature and catch light across the fan. To finish, refine edges with a 1:5 to 2 0mm eraser on paper or a 1px digital eraser, cleaning stray marks and feather tips. Add a soft shadow beneath the fan at 30% opacity to ground the composition, then balance contrast with a subtle curves adjustment. Sign with a discrete 8pt mark or a 12px digital signature. Export digital pieces as PNG at 300 dpi. And for physical art, choose a frame with 1/2-inch mat board and display at eye level or print at 11x14 inches for best viewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.